Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is printing document. So I have a document here. Now I want to print this document. But before the print this document, I want to see the preview it first. Everything related to printing can be found in the backstage view under the print. And here you can see the print preview. We will see the print preview that there is no mistake in our document. And if there is a spelling error or red line below the word, it will not show in the preview and after printing. To print, start by entering the number of copies you want. Select your printer from here if you connected more than one. If you have more files, you will click on Print All Pages. And if we click on Print Selection, only the area we have selected will be printed. When we click on it, the current page which we have active in the backup, it will be printed. If we have to print a particular file from the middle, so here you can enter the specific page number, and it is also important to you if you are printing more than one copy of multi-page document. And from here we will select how we want the page. The portrait is exactly the page you can see in the preview, and the landscape is called width. Now from here we can select the paper. There are different papers, so select that whatever page you have in print. And now you can click on print. So it was today's last topic of MS Word. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.